See, very good morning, children. See, in the last video discussed about the some specified the angle. What are the specified angles means 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. So, in this video, in the above concept based on the problems. So, in this concept is based on the 6 different types of problems are available. So, now you will discuss the first type of problems. Is clear? So, the first one. Evaluate 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 secant square degree 60 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree divided by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Okay. See, evaluate this type of problem. This is the first type of problems. Okay. So, here 5 cos square 60 degree. Cos square 60 degree means cos 60 degree. What's the cos 60 degree value? 1 by 2. Over here, 5 into cos 60 degree means 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 the whole square plus 4 secant square 30 degree. First you find out secant 30 degree. Okay, secant 30 degree means 2 by root 3. Over here you will find out 2 by root 3 the whole square. Minus tan square 45 degree. Tan 45 degree value is 1. Over here, that is 1 square divided by. Okay, next one. What's the sin square 30 degree? So, sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Over here, 1 by 2 the whole square plus cos square 30 degree. Cos 30 degree value root 3 by 2. Over here, root 3 by 2 the whole square. So, simplify the above concept. Okay, just to find out next 5 into 1 by 2 the whole square, that is mean 1 by 4 plus 4 into again will simplify 4 by 3 minus 1 divided by here 1 by 4 plus 3 by 2. 3 by 4. It's clear? 3 by 4. So here this is simplifying. Here what's the meaning? 5 by 4 plus just 4 and 4 here 16 by 3 minus 1 divided by the both denominators are same. Numerator straight away on just 4 divided by 4. This will cancel. What's the denominator value? It will be 1. Again, let's simplify the above concept. Okay. Here 5 by 4 plus 16 by what's the remaining? 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1. Okay. Because of the denominator value should be 1. So again, as simplifying, just 5 by 4. Here I will take by 1, that is cross multiple. You will replace the cross multiple. 16 minus 3 by 3. This will simplify 5 by 4 minus here 13 by 3. Is clear? Again I am using the cross multiple. Here, okay, 13 by 3. Here 5 and 15. Next 42. 1 second. So, here the denominator value should be 1. So, simplify the numerator value. Here there is what's the value? Numerator is equal to 5 by 4. Next, plus 16 by 3 minus 1. Just to simplify, here you put cross multiple 5 by 4 plus, just to simplify 16 by 3 minus 1 by 1 just cross multiple 16 minus 3 by 3. Simplify 13 by 3. Again using the cross multiple 15. Next plus 252 by 12. That's the meaning of 767 by 12. That's the value of 67 by 12. It's a one type of problems. It's a evaluate. So in this type of problems, you fully thorough the trigonometry table is very important. Okay. For example, I will choose how to choose the trigonometry value. So hereafter. In the board examples, don't give the trigonometry values. In your thorough, in your mind, afterward you solve the problems. Is clear? So this is a one type of problem. Next, type 2, another types of problem. Here, so first problem completed. Say second type of problems. Say. If tan a plus b is equal to root 3 and tan of a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3 Let's say a plus b is equal to -3. That is supplementary answer. And for a greater than b, find a and b values. It's an important question. Sometimes asking the board exam point of view, 3 mark question answer. So, say NCERT problem is a very important 3 mark questions. If tan a plus b is equal to √3, okay? So, what's the given? Tan a plus b is equal to √3. Tan a plus b is equal to √3. So, we know that formula. Tan what value will come to √3? Just to recall the trigonometry formulas. Okay, recall the trigonometry formula. First, tan 0 degree 0. So tan 30 degree 1 by √3. Tan 45 1. Upper tan 60 degree √3. Okay. Upper here tan 60 degree is equal to what's the value? √3. Understood? Upper here same way given tan a plus b is equal to √3. So here I will change the √3. Here tan a minus a plus b is equal to tan 60 degree value is √3. But here I will change the 3 tan of 60. Is clear? So just towards the tans will be removed. What are remaining? The a plus b is equal to 6 degree. So simply equation 1. Okay. Actually the meaning tan a plus b is equal to 60 degree. Tan of a plus b is equal to √3. But here a plus b is equal to tan inverse of √3. Once the tan inverse of value is equal to, that's why here tan 60 degree. But tan 60 is equal to tan inverse of √3. The tan inverse of √3 is equal to 60. That's value should be 60. That's the meaning of a plus b is equal to 60 degree. In this concept, you will come to the higher studies level. Okay, the inverse trigonometry you are studying in 12th standard only. So present 10th standard, just will find tan 60 degree is equal to √3. But actual original meaning, this is the original meaning. But in this concept you are discussing the 12th standard. So here just √3, that's the value of tan 60 degree. So taking the inverse part, okay, tan value remove, what's the remaining? A plus b is equal to 60 degree. This is the equation 1. What's the given equation? Another one given tan of a minus b is equal to 1 by √3. Is clear? Tan of a minus b is equal to 1 by √3. Just to think about tan, what value will come to 1 by √3? Tan 30 degree. You see, tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by √3. We know that. It's clear. On the same way, tan a minus b is equal to 1 by √3. 1 by √3 means tan 30 degree. Upon here, tan 30 degree. Just to simplify, what's the remaining? A minus b is equal to value of 30 degree. Consider the equation is 1. So, from solve equation 1 and 2, elimination method, what any methods you will to solve, find the value of a and b. So, from 1 and 2, okay, from 1 and 2, what's the value? Equation from a plus b is equal to, what's the value? 6 degree. Next, a minus b is equal to, the value should be 30 degree. Just to simplify, plus minus cancel, here 2a is equal to 90 degree. Let's suppose a is equal to 19 by 2, that's the value should be 45 degree. A is equal to 45 degree from 1, okay, a is equal to 45 degree. But here 45 degree plus b is equal to 60 degree. It's clear? So simplify, b is equal to 60 degree minus 45 degree. Therefore, b is equal to what's the value of that? 15 degree. So what are conclusions? A is equal to 45 degree. Next, the b is equal to 15 degree. Is clear? Understood? Next time. So type 3 problems. See on the third problem, in the triangle PQR at right angle at the point Q, BQ is equal to 3 cm, BR is equal to 6 cm. Determine the QPR and the PRQ. So in a triangle BQR at the point is right angle point is Q. So see first you find out in your right angle triangle. It's clear? So first we find out one right angle triangle. Okay, which point should be 90 degree? That point Q is equal to 90 degree. So first I will choose the point B. So really you will choose B, Q, R. It's clear? Now, what are the given values? The given is equal to, what's the given? BQ is equal to what's the thing? 3 centimeter. Next BR is equal to 6 centimeter. So BQ is equal to 3. Next BR is equal to 6. It's clear? So next I find out the what sides are missing? Q what side. Next, what are the answer we are supposing? Determine QPR. QPR. This value we find out. First one. Next, BRQ. That's the angle of R. That's both value we need. So in this concept, you will solve the two different types of method. So first we know the familiar method. Okay. So using the Pythagoras theorem, first I will find out the RQ value. So using the Pythagoras theorem, PR square is equal to BQ square plus QR square. Here BQ square is equal to BR square. BR square is equal to 36. BQ square is equal to 9 plus QR. I don't know the value of QR square. That is 36 minus 9 is equal to QR square. That's clear? Now here QR square is equal to 27. Equal to 27. That's clear? Just I need QR is equal to 27. I will split 9 into 3. That's the meaning of 3 root 3. So QR is equal to 3 root 3. That's clear? So first I find out the value of angle of B. So angle of B means we know 3 sides are available. So how to find the angle of B is equal to, say, sin B is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse sides. But here I find out sin B is equal to opposite side. What's the meaning? RQ by BR. So here RQ, that's the value of 3 root 3 by 6. That's the meaning of root 3 divided by 2. Is correct? So the sin P value is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin what value will come to root 3 by 2? That's a sin 60 degree. We know that sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. We know that sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Similar way, sin P is equal to, here root 3 by 2 means sin 60 degree. Is clear? Sin 60 degree. So just to find out what's the value of T, P is equal to 60 degree. That's the meaning of formula QPR. Is clear? That's the meaning of the angle of QPR. See what value will come? 60 degree. Is clear? Next, I will find out the value of R. Same way, 3 sides are, we know that same sign. If you take sin or cos, no problem. I will take sin simply. Here sin R is equal to, what's the sin R? Here same opposite side to hypotenuse sides. What's the opposite side? Here 3 by hypotenuse sides 6. Up here simplify. That's the value of sin R is equal to what meaning? 1 by 2. Here what's the sin R? That is the meaning sin R is equal to sin what value will come to 1 by 2? Sin 30 degree. Is clear? Sin 30 degree is equal to value is 1 by 2. But here sin R is equal to sin 30 degree. So find out that R is equal to what's the meaning with the 30 degree. That's the meaning of BRQ. Therefore BRQ is equal to values 30 degree. This is a one-way method. Or simply first we find out. Sir, here I will take the sin value. Suppose I will take the cos value, tan value, no problem. Any value you will take. 3 sides of we know. So I need this. First I find out the B. What's the B is equal to opposite side hypotenuse. I will take the sin. Suppose you will take cos, you will tan. Whatever maybe you will take the 6 denominator ratio. Any ratio you will choose. Easy to find the values. This is the one-way method. Another one-way method. First you find out the sin value. This side means sum of the 3 angles is equal to 180 degree. So, but here you will find out the 180 degree, you will subtract 90 against 60 degree. You will find out the value of 30 degree. That's another type of problems. Okay, you solve the any one methods. So, here the specific angle means in this topic you have discussed about the important 6 types of problems. So here completed 3 problems. Next 3 problems we will discuss about the next video. Thank you, children.